Photon traders. Today, we're breaking down Theta Network, a cryptocurrency that set out to change the video streaming industry by making it decentralized and more accessible. The project was founded in 2018 by Mitch Liu and Jie Long, professionals with strong backgrounds in video technology and streaming. Their idea was simple. Instead of relying on expensive centralized servers, they created a platform where users share their internet bandwidth to help stream video to others. In return, they earn rewards in the Theta cryptocurrency. What is Theta used for? Theta Network is a Layer 1 blockchain specifically designed for video streaming. Its main use cases include decentralized video content delivery instead of traditional CDNs, reducing streaming costs for platforms, rewarding users for providing bandwidth NFTs, and digital content in the entertainment industry. The project already collaborates with major companies such as Samsung, Sony, and Google. However, Theta remains a fairly niche solution, mainly used within the video streaming sector, which limits its mass adoption. Who trades Theta? Theta attracts enthusiasts of decentralized technologies, investors focused on media and entertainment tech, traders interested in altcoins with clear real-world use cases, those who believe in the future of Web3 and decentralized content. It's not one of the most popular coins on the market, but it has a loyal user base. Trading characteristics: volatility, high. Theta shows high volatility, making it attractive for active traders. The price can fluctuate significantly, creating opportunities for short-term trades. At the same time, this also means increased risk, as sharp drawdowns are possible. Trend strength, medium. Trend strength is moderate. Theta can follow overall market sentiment and form trends, but they are not always stable. Long-term trends are less pronounced than those of top-tier coins, which requires more careful analysis when entering positions. Recommendations for beginners. Caution. For beginners, Theta is a challenging asset. High volatility combined with moderate trend strength means it must be traded carefully. Without experience, it's easy to get caught in sharp price moves. If you're just starting out, it's better to gain experience with more stable assets first and approach Theta later, with proper market understanding and risk management. Final takeaway. Theta Network is an interesting niche project in the decentralized video streaming space with real partnerships. From a trading perspective, the coin offers high volatility, which can be both an advantage and a drawback. Experienced traders may find solid opportunities for active trading here, while beginners should remain cautious and avoid risking a large portion of their capital. Trade wisely, manage your risks, and remember, every coin requires its own approach. Good luck and goodbye.